What's going on, guys? So yes, finally fixed my camera. I've been pushing this off for quite some time, but it's now due. You get to see me, I don't get to see you. That's how usually this works. But anyway, you're not here to see my face, you're here to see the charts and the analysis. So yesterday we were talking about the possibility of continuation to the upside. All right, we saw that the markets rallied when Powell said that 75 basis points were off the table for the foreseeable future. For now, right? That's for now, quote unquote. Markets like that initially, but then the digestion came the following day, which was today. We saw a massive sell-off. All right, we gapped down and we pushed through what was supposed to be our wave one support at 418.69. We broke through it like if it was butter or paper, whatever you want to call it. And now we're looking for price action to head on lower. Yesterday's video, if I may recap and have your attention for 5 seconds, right? We were looking for price action to head on higher, find a resistance a little bit above 435.55, and then try to see if we could find a 3-wave pullback into the wave 4, right, that will hold above wave 1, okay, at 418.69. That was the game plan, and that's what I wanted to see, which is why it's good to stay patient. Just because we see this massive move doesn't mean it's the clear and then we're just heading higher and that's it. No, we have to be patient. We have to let price action dictate what the charts want to do, all right, before we can actually put our own hard-earned money and capital to work. All right, if you yourself, you love your money more than anything else, so you can't just throw it out and that's it. All right, you got to be patient. If you want to invest long term, 10 years down the line, then yeah, it doesn't matter what happens today. But if you have a 1 month or 2 month time horizon, then moves like these should allow you to become a little bit more patient and disciplined. So anyway, sorry for the rant. We broke below 418.69, which was our support in this structure. So however, that is gone, no longer valid, so we could throw this out. For that reason, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to turn on our wave structure, the ones that we're going to be tracking now, because this move here, actually, let me backtrack for a second and tell you why. I mean, both of these kind of tell the same story, but this one is a little bit more of a shallow move. This one tells us that the wave, this whole cycle is almost complete. Now we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This will be an extended 5th wave, but this violates one rule, the guideline of the right look. This wave structure is a little bit larger, way bigger than this one and this one of the smaller degree. You can't have that. That invalidates that guideline. So for that reason, we have to discount this possibility, right? And unless there's only one other way to look at this, right? And is that this is probably the wave 3 and we are in some sort of flat in the wave 4, and then we see the next leg lower. But I don't know if this may be the case. What I am pushing for and what I am anticipating for the price action to dictate us is that we're going lower. We're going to see that this is instead of this being the 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? This is actually the wave 1 in the minor degree. Right? We have the wave A, B, and C into the wave 2, and now we see price action head on lower. Now, we may still be in the wave 2, right? This still may be the case, and I think that might be it. But let's take a closer look, right? Let's dive down to the 5-minute time frame. So I personally don't think that might be the case, to be honest with you. I think we've completed the wave 2 in the zigzag. We got the A, the B, the C, and then the impulsive structure into the wave 2, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and C into the wave 1, all right, and then 2 and 3 and so on. So what I'm looking for here is that I want to see price structure hold underneath the confirmation of 1, right, which was our previous resistance over here. So we want to see 418.69 now become our resistance, where it was once support, right, and our preferred account is now our resistance area. So if price action pushes up just ever so slightly, right, I don't anticipate that to be, because we have what appears to be a flat correction, right, an expanded flat. We have the 1272 acting as pretty good support here, which is the a retracement from the low of wave A to the high of wave A. So I anticipate equality to be just that, to the 1272 at 416.29. So if we do get that, or our next level is 418.69, we should expect price action to roll over and then head on lower. Now, what is our longer term objective to the downside in this move once we see a break? The ultimate confirmation is a break south of 40502. I'm going to repeat this, guys. The ultimate confirmation for this structure to be true is a break south of wave 1. It'll confirm the next leg lower. All right, we can probably just meandering ourselves around here. We may not do anything tomorrow. Tomorrow may be just a flat day. Before Monday, we get price action lower, or we may very well push a little bit higher and then sell off. Again, confirmation to this structure, to this wave count, is a break south of 40502. Okay, that will mean that if and when this happens, next support should come south or should come near at 376.63. This is equality to wave 1. All right, 376.63 is the same distance or the same length of wave 1 and wave 3, which is a guideline in Elliott wave theory. So wave 3 will be equal to wave 1 at the very least. Okay, so we break lower, 100% extension, 376.63 will be our next level of support, at which point we'll get a bounce into the wave 4 in 3 waves. As long as we remain south of wave 1, then this will become our resistance, and then we head lower into what appears to be our sweet spot between the 38 and the 50% retracement. So 355 and 323 is not out of the question for the spot. All right, guys. So with that being said, just be careful. All right, so triple Qs, same deal. All right, so in the triple Qs, guys, what we're looking for here is that we're either completing the wave 2 already up to the 332.05 in the resistance area, which is the 38.2% retracement of this entire wave 1 advance. Right, we have the A, the B, and the C to the wave 2, and now we're looking for the wave 1, potentially lower to confirm this count, push back into the wave 2, where we'll potentially take a short position, all right, into resistance, and then the confirmation lower into the wave 3 of 3, and so on. Okay, guys, so not looking too well. Even Bitcoin is selling off, so it's kind of confirming more of this whole scenario of selling may go away. I don't know, maybe, who knows. But I did anticipate that we were sort of 50-50 as to what was going to happen towards this month, because a lot of geopolitical tensions are going on. This whole situation with the Federal Reserve and the interest rate hikes, the 2 basis point, it's just really, really tough out there. All right, guys, so I do encourage you guys to join Trending Waves if you haven't done so yet, because we update our charts every single day, and we try to be disciplined, and we try to stay in the right side of the charts, and by doing our analysis. We have a really good community going on here, and we're growing as a team. All right, guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. Good to meet you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Take care.